In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Hotels.com gift card balance. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to view your remaining funds and what to do if the online tool gives you trouble. The quickest method is online using the official Hotels.com balance checker. Open your browser and go to the Hotels.com gift cards section. Look for the balance checker. On some pages, it may appear under a link called Balance Services. Make sure you're on the official site and that the page shows a secure connection before entering any details. Have your gift card ready. You'll need the 16-digit card number and the 8-digit PIN. On a physical card, the PIN is usually under a scratch-off panel on the back. For digital or e-gift cards, both the number and PIN are typically in the email you received from Hotels.com. Type the numbers exactly as shown, don't include spaces or dashes, and watch out for common mix-ups like the letter O versus the number 0. When everything's entered, submit the form. The page will display your current gift card balance, usually right away. If you see an error, double-check that you've entered all digits and that you're using the correct PIN from the same card. If the site seems busy, refresh the page or try again in a few minutes. It's a good idea to note the balance or take a quick screenshot so you have a record, especially if you're planning to book soon. Remember that balances are in the currency associated with the card, so keep that in mind if you're browsing properties in a different region. If the online tool isn't working for you or you prefer to talk to someone, you can contact Hotels.com customer service and ask them to check your balance. Use the customer support number provided on the back of your card or on the official Hotels.com website. Have your 16-digit gift card number and 8-digit PIN ready, as they'll need those to verify and retrieve your balance. If the agent mentions an error or the card shows an unexpected amount, they can advise on next steps. That's all there is to it. Use the online checker first for the fastest result, and reach out to customer service if you need help. Keep your card details secure, avoid sharing them publicly, and always use the official Hotels.com site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly confirm your Hotels.com gift card balance.